Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Trust Wallet app on your Chrome extension? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop devices. Once you open the Chrome, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the icon for extension. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on Manage Extensions. Once you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section. Now look at the left side of your screen where you can see Chrome Web Store. Tap on it. Once you click on it, you will be forwarded to this website. Now tap on search bar and search for Trust Wallet. You can see Trust Wallet over here. Simply tap on it. Now click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. As you guys can see, our extension has been downloaded. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Trust Wallet to our extension. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.